So we've had this EnviroKlenz unit out here for about a week now. And as we pull out this filter, this thing used to be pure white. And you can just see the dust flying off of that. Now not only do we have that filter, this filter as well. As you can see, we've got some dirt up in the corners, on the bottom. Now I wish you guys could smell the inside of this place, because when we first showed up to this remodel, this place stunk bad. With the help of this filter being in here for just a week, you can already tell a huge difference. Now I'm going to put some info for the EnviroKlenz up on the left hand side of the video here. You guys can see exactly what this thing does. The amount of air this thing pushes is absolutely insane. We'll go ahead and drop the back on it and get it fired up. Now this unit is super easy to use. All you have to do is slide the filter in, drop in the small air cartridge to rest on top of the big filter, which is what I just showed you guys. Replace the sliding back panel, which we're about to do right now. Plug this little bad boy in. They recommend for the first 24 hours to use it on wisp air or low mode to get it acclimated to the area prior to pushing it out to high. So you use it on wisp air, which doesn't push a whole lot of air, but it still does a bit. After 24 hours on wisp air, you can go ahead and crank this thing up to high, and you can just hear this thing roaring. If you guys want to check out this unit for yourself, I'll have a link down in the description below.